Hello, Mr. Harry, Mr. Red. How are you today?
Good.
What did we talk about yesterday?
Oh, we talked about the width.
Width of what?
With breakfast search.
Width of binary tree, and we use the breakfast search.
Q,
Yeah?
DQ.
Okay, we're done. Okay, that's it. Breakfast search, level by level. Yeah, level by level traversal. Yeah, when we exploring the nodes in the next level. Yeah, the nodes are in the queue. We exploring all the nodes in the queue as the next level. We can compute the distance between the leftmost node and rightmost node. How do we compute the distance? If we go to the left node, what happens?
We times 2 and to the right. We times 2 and plus 1.
Yeah, so
Oh,
we go to the left, we double it. We go to the right, we add 1. Double it and add 1. Today,
carrying it like a hot potato.
so today we're going to use the depth search, okay? Depth search.
Using the stack.
Depth search stack. Usually we... Okay, stop. We're using depth search, usually implemented in recursion, okay? So in order to do this depth search, we need to visit the nodes, right? Visit the nodes, and when we visit the nodes, we need to store the level as the keys and the values. The value will be the v, and we update the v in the dictionary, right? So we have a data, like a data. The keys of the data will be level, right? And the values will be a list of 2 values, which has the what? The left and right, okay? And we keep updating these 2 values, alright? So can you tell me what for the define? Let's do the define. Let's implement the define. Depth search. What kind of parameters do we need?
Second minute.
What kind of parameters do we need? Root, yeah, for the tree.
Value and level.
Yeah, we're done. When we go to the left tree,
You don't need.
when we go to the left tree, what happened to the?
Oh, we times 2 and then on the right.
Wait. So if we go to the left tree, what 3 values do I need to give? If we go to the left, root will become what?
Root will become.
We go to the left, root will become what? Yeah. And then v will become what?
The v will be times 2.
Yeah. And level will become what?
The level will become plus 1.
Plus 1. Okay. And we go to the right, root of what?
Right.
And what happened to the v?
V times 2 plus 1.
And what happened to the level?
Level plus 1.
We're done. And then we know this, then we can say if the level, if the first time if the level key is not existent in the data dictionary, what happened? What does it mean? It means that we visited this node on the first time on this level. Then we set.
Why would we go back to that line?
Sorry, what?
Why would we go back to that character again?
Character, what do you mean?
How would we get to the same character again?
What do you mean same character again?
Same character. Node.
Same node
Yeah.
again. Why do we need to go back to the same node again?
Yeah.
No, we visit the one node at once. That's the depth search. Yeah? Okay, so the first time, if the level is not in the data, what does it mean? We visit these the first time. Then we need to set the key. Data level equals what? LR equals VV, yeah? VV. Okay, if the level is in data level, what does it mean? We already seen the level before, then we need to update the level with the compared to column V, yeah? Right? Okay? And at the end, this data will contain something like, okay, level 0, the left will be 0, right will be 0. Level 1, the left will be maybe 0, right will be 2. Right? Level 2, maybe the left will be 0, right will be 5. So we want to calculate the maximum of these, yeah? The right minus R.
It's always 0 here.
If you go to the left, because if you put a 0 here, it go to the left, it will be 0, times 2 will be 0, right? Got it?
Oh yeah.
And then we want to find out the maximum distance between the values, yeah? So we can say return max R minus L plus 1 for L R in data dot what? Data dot what? Keys or values?
Keys.
Keys is this one. Come on.
Values.
Values is this one. Okay.
I keep saying keys.
Yeah. Data not key. Key is that the level, right? The level. Can you stop going? Okay. Let's try this. Stand up, please. Stand up.
Yikes! Then why didn't he
Define.
stand up?
Max width.
Oh yeah.
Max width. Root. Yeah. And
Value. Wait, go on.
if not root, return what?
None.
0. Yeah. 0. Yeah. Or none.
Boo.
Okay. Okay. Listen. Then we have this data. Yeah. As I said, how do you define a dictionary? Can you tell me how do you define the dictionary? Dictionary. How do you
You
define?
just do the curly.
Curly brace. Yeah. Or you can do this. Or you can do this. This also works. Or default. Okay. But the easiest way is do this curly brace. It means that it's a dictionary. What's dictionary? Key value pairs. Okay. Key value pairs. Yeah. Like data Eric equals 8. Data Ryan equals 7. Okay. We talked about this before. And then, well, define depth of search. What's the parameters? How many parameters?
Root, value, and level. Column.
Okay. If not root means that if root is empty or if root is none, return. Just return. Yeah, because if it's empty, we return. Okay, now we got this level. Yeah. So if level, as I said, if level in data, what does it mean? If we have visited this before, right? Right? Then what? Data, the level, right? Look, this is the key value, and then it's what? 0. Let's say 0 is the left. Right, 1 is the right. Okay, equals what? The max 0 will be the left. It will be mean, right? Mean data level 0. And what's the second parameters?
Which is
What?
V.
V, yeah. And then data level what?
1.
1, yeah, equals max. Data level 1 and what?
V.
Yeah, because we are updating the left and right, okay? Okay, else.
Yeah.
If else, what does it mean? If it goes to here, else, what does it mean?
I mean that we have not visited it.
The first time, right? So we have to set it data level LVL
Equals the thing.
equals what? We put a value, two
The
values.
value.
Two values. What are those values?
Value.
Value and what?
Uh,
If the first time we visited, what's the left and right? We have this V. What's the left and right?
value.
Yeah, value, yeah.
Value,
because
value.
okay. And now we got this value, and then we want to go to the left, yeah? Depth of search, root or what?
With the left.
And what happened to the V?
Times 2.
What happened to the level?
Plus 1. Depth of search, read the right. V times 2 plus 1. Level plus 1.
Huh? Times 2 what?
Plus 1.
For what?
Level plus 1. That's what I said.
Okay. And then now, after we call this, yeah, depth of search at the beginning, we call it with the root. What's the V at the beginning? It doesn't matter, yeah? 0 or 1, yeah? Remember?
0.
Okay, and then what's the level?
0.
Yeah, 0 or 1. Actually, it doesn't matter. You can put a 1, right? Return, okay, this is the best part, yeah? Return what? Maximum. I want to put an R minus L plus 1, yeah? For L, R in what?
Data.
Data dot what? Data dot what? Which
Values.
is values, yeah? The keys are, what are the keys?
The,
What are the keys?
the thing.
What are keys here? What are the keys here? Come on, what are
The
keys?
level.
The levels. The values are a list of 2 elements, yeah? The left and right, okay? The left and right are visited here. Okay, so does it make sense?
You got 2 rubbers.
Wow. So, okay, yeah. Come on, what happened? This is the first time we visited, so what should we do with that? What should we assign it? Yeah?
They
Mm-hmm.
He
What?
equals
Yeah. Data what? No. Data is the dictionary. Which level is it? You need to give a key. Yeah. Data bracket. Bracket what? What? The first time, look at the two lines above. Data level 0 equal what? 1 equal level. Yeah. Level. And the first time, what's the left and right value? Bracket. Equals what? Equals what?
B.
Yeah.
B.
Yeah. Wait up. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And one more. And look, because here data is defined in the scope of this function, and inside we have another inside function, inline function, which is going to use the data. So at here we need to say a keyword. What's this? In order to use this inside this function, we have to give it a keyword. Can you tell me what it is? If you're not spacing this keyword, the data, you will say, okay, the computer will think this data is inside this function, but which is we haven't declared. We want to tell the computer this data we actually mean is the data here, right? So we need to give it a keyword which is non-local. Yeah.
Data.
Yeah.
Data.
Yeah, because this data, we said this data is non-local, and if it's non-local, where it is? It's here, right? That's what it means, okay? Okay, that's good job today. Good job today. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.